It's fall, and that means it's time for pumpkin everything. Today I'm making pumpkin pie twists. It's a sweet treat that's quick and easy to make. You're only going to need 9 ingredients. We're starting with brown sugar, maple syrup, whipping cream, pumpkin pie spice, ground cinnamon, puree, pumpkin puree, 100% puree, don't get the other kind, sugar, butter, and a crescent dough sheet. We're going to start with our filling. So we have our pumpkin puree, which I never realized there was a difference. There is actually cans of pumpkin pie that have all this other stuff in there, seasonings, things like that, but you just want the puree, which means just the pumpkin. And I don't know if every store sells it because I don't always see it every year. Okay, there's our pumpkin. Brown sugar, maple syrup, because if you've seen our other videos, you know we have a lot of maple syrup, so I got to look for a lot of recipes that have maple syrup in them so I can use them up. We have enough maple syrup for quite some time, don't we, Mark?
We do.
All right, and pumpkin pie spice. So let's mix this all together. Okay, the crescent roll dough sheet. If you can't find that, just get the regular crescent rolls and you're just going to pinch the edges together.
One of my favorite parts as a kid.
What about as an adult too? Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh, got it on the first time.
Nice job, Bridgetta.
That doesn't happen very often. Okay, we're going to open it up. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. Now you could use a pizza cutter, but I probably won't end up doing it straight if I do it that way. So I'm going to use a knife. So I've mixed it all up. Pumpkin puree and our seasonings. I'm going to move it over here so you can see it better. So we want to try and even it. Maybe not too close to the edges. Okay. Now we're going to put this on top. And we need to match up. Now the first time I also used a rolling pin to even it out. I didn't do that this time.
That's pretty darn good.
Yeah, you think so? Okay.
I can already taste them.
I know the smell. Okay. Then I'm going to cut it in half again. On each side. So we end up with 8. Looks fancy, doesn't it? Our oven's preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I've got to combine the last few ingredients, which are sugar and cinnamon. They're going to go on top. So I'm mixing these together. There you go. Which, if you already have a container of it, like they sell it in the stores already mixed. So if you have that, it's usually in a bigger size. But if you already have that, the cinnamon sugar, you can use that You won't even have to mix this.
So that's pumpkin spice.
But that is pumpkin spice. Yes, I'm just showing you what the container would look like. Okay, so we have our melted butter, and we're going to put that on each twist.
As the cameraman, I'm never sure whether she's going to start closest to me or the furthest away from me.
Sometimes I don't either. It's going in the oven for about 8 to 11 minutes. And now we wait. Ready? Okay. We are going to take these babies out. Oh, yes.
Oh, man. It smells like a holiday in here.
It does.
Holy cow.
Tonight, we've got pumpkin pie twists.
And the kitchen smells like a holiday.
It's starting.
Oh my gosh. Everything pumpkin. Happy October.
Yep. Sugar and cinnamon.
Sugar and spice and everything nice.
Nice. That's it. That's how it goes. And of course, the recipe is going to be in the description box. That's the one you're going for.
I'm going for this one.
Okay. I think I'll go for this one. So after it comes out of the oven, I'd give it a few minutes. I'd let it rest before you eat it. Besides it being hot, it continues to set up.
I don't know there's any pretty way to eat this.
No, probably not. Well, maybe take a bite off of it.
Oh my gosh.
Mmm. Very nice.
Better with more filling.
Yes, I think so too. See, I was just worried about it spilling out. It wasn't that bad.
Wow.
So use all the filling. That's definitely a recommendation. That was so easy. I mean, you can make this with your children or your grandchildren.
I came from work. We banged this episode out. Nothing flat. This was really easy. So we're eating dinner. We're eating dessert before
first.
dinner.
Dessert first, then dinner. So, yeah, this is really good.
Thanks for joining us today.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got lots of other videos with lots of great food and a lot more to come. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
It's good to make this.
Oh, yeah. With adult supervision, of course, but, you know.
Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending.